Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sbongile and the Kamenis on Monday, Jegaya is shaken by what Nengelosi has revealed. Kwenzo wonders if he will be able to make things right with Sbongile. Meanwhile, Sangwenis grows richer but more rebellious. On Tuesday, Njengaya is going through the most, but Kapelani gets him back on track. Sangweni and government cause Vuma some damage. On Wednesday, despite the rocky state of her marriage, Peteni hosts the love seminar, but will Njengaya forgive her? Sibongile makes a quiet splash on campus. Thank you guys for watching.